In this video, I'm gonna work on cleaning K&N filter that I installed in April of 2023, 28,000 miles. Now I have about 40,000 miles, and I just did once dusting off last year. And this year I'm gonna do the complete cleaning using cleaning kit from K&N. First thing is to take the filter out. 10mm wrench or screwdriver. In my case I will use 10mm wrench. There is a total of 6 of these screws all around the housing. It doesn't look so bad, but it is a little dusty and some debris in, so I'm gonna wash it. Inside is good and clean. I don't need to clean it too much, maybe just a little vacuum, but it's pretty clean. I'm gonna use K&N cleaner and filter oil. First I need to use a cleaner by applying it on both sides of the filter and keep it there for about 10 minutes, not allowing it to dry, just loosen up the grime and dust, and wash it with cool water and clean it naturally. After it's dry, I will apply air filter, oil. And one thing that is important to say, I think it will be to wash it with water from this side, from clean side, to wash the grime out, and not to push it back into filter. Like I said, we need to do both sides to loosen up the grime. It is very moist now, and we'll wait for about 10 minutes and wash it out. It is past 10 minutes about, and I will have to do it now to not let it dry cleaner in the filter, so I'm gonna wash it out. And like I said, we need to do this from inside out to not let grime to come back into filter. Now after a good wash, I will just dry it naturally, meaning just leave it like this. Now that the filter is dry overnight and it was in the sun for a few hours, I'm gonna spray the oil. And I will spray oil only on intake side, not on both sides. Spray it good, but not too much, to prevent oil going into intake and cause more trouble. And when this dries, it will be getting red color again. And I will wipe off the moisture of the oil on the sides and wait for about 20 minutes before I put it back in housing. I will take it into shade and wipe it off all the way around. Now more than 30 minutes of drying and wicking. I'm gonna install it back in the truck. All done. Easy but important step to keep it clean. I'm good for at least 10,000 miles for year or two, but depends on the driving condition, like dusty roads and road constructions. It's easy to do, so I'm going to check it yearly and see how it is. Thank you for watching.